Hello, guys. Welcome. Stop it over there. Can it be?
Yeah.
Yep. Hey, guys. Welcome again to I Am Ready for Love. And guess who is here? Carissa, they're here. So, yeah. So, Carissa is home. As you can see, we are tired, right? Yeah, we're tired for you. Serious tired. So, don't judge me. You see it. That is a tired look at. So, with the home, Carissa come last night. Yeah, she come yesterday. And
Airport stress. So
yeah,
call it last night.
yeah, man. So you have to wait on her like some 3 hour worth of processing and all these things.
But if I quarantine people.
Don't tell them. So we are on quarantine. So another she one. We're on quarantine. Is it? We're a team. So if she depend on it, me depend on it too. Osh. So yeah. What be? Anyways. Yeah, let's go about it. Hey guys, welcome to I Am Ready for Love, and today I am here with me. So yeah, Carissa finally reached home. Yeah, she came in last night, and we're at the airport like some bad 3 hours and odd worth of processing, but thanks be to God, she reached
No,
home
we're
safely.
quarantine 14 days.
So she up on 4. As a matter of fact, we are on 14 days quarantine. Somebody got in a comment that's about we might beside you. So we're on 14 days quarantine. So if you wonder, I never seen me for the last 14 days. So made a quarantine, you see it? Alright. So kind of tired and stressed out. We understand, like, yeah, well beat out and these things, but yes, I see you said me.
You make it so like.
She said she's tired, she's drained. So I give her some days and she's gonna recoup and get herself together. So just want to say hi to the fam. I'm also gonna do something like we'll surprise Carissa cousin. She don't want to surprise me, like she never want me to know say she'll come, but so I say you can't pull and stuff upon me, I'm gonna find out. So
We're gonna call Shannon. My battery dead, but we're gonna call her.
speak the card.
Oh,
Hang up here. Press it.
it's still hurting.
Hang up here. Shot again. No, I am in London. I'm saying, Shana.
Don't be that, Don't Jerome,
I'm in London.
please.
I'm in London, England, Shana. Please don't talk to me like that. Give us peace. Give us peace, no? Give me some London.
Stop with me.
So how are you? Oh, give her a piece of me.
How you doing? Are you okay?
My beg. That's how I'm doing. My beg.
I think you're on a call, so I could probably go back to your call, okay?
Me wait down here when me get the time.
Shana, big up yourself.
It's coming.
Big up yourself, Shana.
Alright, pick up yourself.
Love you.
Pray for me upon quarantine here.
Oh, you're the essential one.
My friend.
Later.
Alright, later.
Yeah, so that's Shana again. You see it? I do oops, you know, event planner. Right, me?
Shana say you're full.
Any of peeps, me have to go run, you see it?
Guys, me will mash up and look bad and tired and everything. I'm gonna...
She don't look no mash up, you understand? She just tired and want a break, like. Really cool. But she good. See, natural. Right? So open up my face, so.
Are you put it there?
No, be any if you adjust the angles, you just open up my face like.
No filter. Hi guys.
I'm trying to put it like.
What? Excuse me. That's who I'm with. I've been in the house for 2 weeks now. Quarantine over, and it's time for me to go outside now and get some. Well, no sunshine because no sun not shine.
The green ice cream again?
Pistachio?
Yeah, pistachio.
Okay guys, so we come park up down at one place, down at one part, and Jay Freed. So we're at the seaside, and the car there so, and he thinks the man will come
This is like a kidnap route.
It's not a kidnap route. My foot are wet up, car rain fall.
Look
Come
nice
hold
stuff.
this.
I'm trimming all these things. Look, may I wait up in there? I want them something here, sir. Hold on, I'm sure them walk on. Say hi, B.
Hi.
Where we?
We are we're on one part.
All the way in St. Lucia.
You see mosquito?
What in there?
I fly around.
You know, see them here. See, like, this is the new gun. You don't want to get for COVID?
We're praying up mosquito and get COVID. One?
You ready?
Jump back. Guys, this is our seaweed. Come to which part? Go and go jump.
Cool, you know what I do. Next year this time.
Guys, that's where we park.
So if a man then come, we have to run all the way out there. So as a matter of fact, I just scoop you up and run down so.
You know I'm going out of there.
This dog over there?
Well, that's what that way.
Yeah, take a break.
We're by the ocean, guys. Guys, when I get jack ride.
Jesus.
Whee!
Guys, I ate too much food though.
Ufa kaya na ka.
Yeah, one time man don't come to somebody want to see cheese.
Me say you're extra.
I'm dying.
We don't have one way, don't have one part. Run, cause if a man then come here, so you have to go carry me and
No,
run.
you must never bite me food though. See you think I'm gonna wash your foot with alcohol. Yeah then. Driver! See how I drive people? Tell them sorry teacher for driving. Tell them.
Guys, I taught Jerome how to drive.
Okay, and you
now,
don't, yeah?
I get driven. I don't drive anymore.
No, don't take it that way. You don't like to drive.
Yeah, I don't like to drive anymore because he can drive now, so why should I drive?
Okay. Not too good, right? And I'm saying
Of
to
course,
ladies
that's
out there,
great.
that's not a
That's
good
great.
style to
But
emulate. Alright?